Hello everyone, and welcome to Qizhong Chemical's YouTube channel. Today, let's learn about the main raw materials of activated carbon. First, let's look at wood. At Qizhong Chemical, we use a variety of woods, including hardwoods such as oak and softwoods such as pine. The wood is charred at high temperatures and then activated physically or chemically to form highly adsorbent wood powder. Carbon wood. Activated carbon is particularly suitable for removing large organic molecules and pigments from solutions due to its large pore-size structure. Demonstrate its excellent decolorization ability. Next is coconut shell raw material. Coconut shell activated carbon excels in water and air purification, and even has important applications in the recovery of precious metals, such as gold. Its high-density microporous structure effectively traps small molecule pollutants. Coal is another important raw material that we use extensively. Our coal-based activated carbon product line includes activated carbon made from bituminous, anthracite, and lignite coal. These products excel in areas such as wastewater treatment, gas purification, and solvent recovery. In addition, we utilize a variety of nut shells and kernels, such as walnuts, peaches, and apricots, to produce high-performance activated carbons specialized for water treatment, specific chemical adsorption, and refining processes. At Qizhong Chemical, we understand that each raw material imparts unique properties to the final product. We always carefully select the most suitable raw materials and production processes according to our customers' specific needs. Since its establishment in 2001, Qizhong Chemical has been committed to providing high-quality activated carbon solutions to customers worldwide. Our products have been exported to more than 90 countries and regions, and we have obtained important certifications such as ISO 9001-2015, NSF, and Halal. These achievements fully prove the quality and service level of our products. If you have any needs or questions about activated carbon products, we are always welcome to your inquiry. You can get in touch with us through the following way. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.